Sanjay, I want to ask you then, if you have to advise a 20-something person today, what is the most underrated financial move that they should do so that they can actually retire at 40?
तो 20 साल वाले सुनते नहीं हैं हमारी बात. I think these two terms, funny terms, one is YOLO
Yes.
and one is FOMO.
Yes.
I think these are the only things which you need to get out of your mind. I think you should do POLO. POLO means plan or lose out.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
So you do POLO, which is you plan for yourself. And I think there are enough and more videos, book, content, so much written around money.
Yes.
You know, good starting point could be Psychology of Money, where they speak about Ronald Reed, a janitor, you know, jhadu pocha marne wala. And he kept on investing for 50 years and how he became the US's top 2%, 1 or 2%, retired with an $8 million fund, just by being a janitor. So, long-term investing is so powerful. I was checking Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. It was formed in 1965. Till today, that's 60 years. The returns on that fund that company is 19.8% per annum. If somebody had to put 1,000 rupee SIP, ठीक है, but real content आ गया. So if somebody had to put 1,000 rupee SIP for these 60 years, उसने कितना पैसा डाला होता? 7,20,000 rupees.
Okay.
Any guesses? What is the value of that 7,20,000 today after 60 years? Anyone from the room who wants to take a wild guess? 12 crores. Okay.
Wow.
Any other guess? Let's go a little higher. The answer is around 700 crores.
Wow.
700 crores. रचना रानडे मैम की वेबसाइट पे जाएं और चेक कर लें. So, if somebody, you know, if a kid is born today to a family, and क्या 1,000 रुपए निकालना बहुत मुश्किल है या 2,000 रुपए निकालना बहुत मुश्किल है? I tell everyone, even if your salary is 25,000, you forget it's 25,000, you think it's 24,000. भूल जाओ 1,000, डाल दो उसको. Just forget it. It builds your habit. नहीं तो क्या होगा जब आपकी तनख्वाह 5 लाख भी होगी, वो हैबिट नहीं बनेगी. I have seen one of my own friends at 7 lakh rupee per month salary, CFO, sorry, not CFO, COO. CFO तो ऐसी गलती नहीं करेंगे. COO, and he loses out money till 25th of the month. Why? Because he didn't put up a habit. So I think my biggest advice to anyone who's young today is to get out of this FOMO, YOLO. All of this will happen. Keep a good budget for yourself. Understand where you're spending your money. Prepare for emergencies of life. And keep on investing a little bit. Enjoy your life also, but keep on investing a little bit to just develop your habit, because you're not going to make 20,000 for your entire life. You will improve your salary, as Mukul was saying.
Absolutely. So Sanjay, I want to follow up. You said SIP. So everybody by now actually knows there is something called a mutual funds you have to invest. But what I've also heard you talk a lot about is that a bigger magical compounding factor is SWP. Can you break that for all our audiences? What exactly is SWP, and you know, how do we really look at that aspect to create more wealth?
See, SWP, I believe, is very, very magical. And I think this was the word which got me millions of views with that reel. See, what people think about conventionally is that मैं रिटायर होऊंगा, मेरे पास एक घर होगा जिसमें मैं रह रहा हूँ, एक घर और होगा जिससे मुझे भाड़ा आएगा, right? Now you have to understand, somebody who's 60, who has created a corpus, now retired, it's very difficult for them to go and collect their rents, take care of the house, the kids may not be staying with them, वो बाहर पढ़ने चले गए हैं. So it's very difficult for a 60-year-old to, you know, make money out of that. So better is to put that money in a fund. And it's assumed that money is like water in a bucket. ठीक है, तो आपका पैसा अभी भी ग्रो कर रहा है बिकॉज वो म्यूचुअल फंड में पड़ा है. तो यू जस्ट हैव टू एंश्योर वन थिंग, दैट द लीक इन योर बकेट इज स्मॉलर देन द मनी कमिंग टू योर बकेट. सो विच वी कॉल इन कंपाउंडिंग एज विड्रॉवल रेट. सो इफ योर विड्रॉवल रेट is lesser than your compounding rate, your money will never ever finish and you will still keep on making passive income. And that's the magic which can be created with systematic withdrawal plan. अगर आपके पास 2 करोड़ रुपए हैं तो आप महीने का 1 लाख रुपया निकाल सकते हो और वो पैसा जिंदगी भर खत्म नहीं होगा अगर आपने सही तरीके से उसको इन्वेस्टेड रखा है तो.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.